Abbey Road was the final album the Beatles recorded, and it was issued on Friday the 26th of September 1969 with a genuinely iconic cover photo. It pictures the four men, George Harrison, Paul McCartney, Ringo Starr and John Lennon, striding along a zebra crossing situated on Abbey Road, outside EMI Studios in London, where the band had spent the majority of their groundbreaking recording career. Where is the Abbey Road crossing exactly? Before the Beatles came along, Abbey Road's main claim to fame was being a stone's throw from the location of Lord's cricket ground. The crossing is situated at the southernmost point of Abbey Road, at the junction with Grove End Road, in the St John's Wood area of northwest London. The postcode for Abbey Road Studios is Northwest 89i. If you go looking for the crossing near the Abbey Road station on the London Underground map, you'd be way off. That's actually a Docklands Light Railway station in East London, miles away. In fact, the last session to see John, Paul, George and Ringo in the studio together was on the 20th of August 1969. The four Beatles are pictured walking away from the studio. The Beatles' Let It Be album was released in May 1970, but the material had been recorded over a year earlier, meaning that Abbey Road was the last set of material to be produced by all four Beatles.